A very good morning to all of you. I hope that you are safe. Children, in the previous class, I explained how you modify tables. Modify table means how you insert row, column, how you delete extra rows and column, how you merge cell, how you split cell, right? I hope you watched the video carefully. In today's class, I am going to explain formatting tables and mail merge. So let us start today's class. Open page number 48. Formatting tables. Word offers various features that let us enhance the appearance of our table. Means MS Word provide different options. With the help of these options, we can change the appearance of the table. I have already told what is the meaning of formatting. Formatting means to change the look of the selected text or selected tables, right? We can format the text inside the table, apply stylish border around the table, or change the background color shading of the table. Means we can change the border style of the table, we can change the background of the table, and we can also convert a table into a stylish look. Now, formatting text inside the table. We can format the text inside a table in the same way as you format text in a document using various options in the font group on the home tab. Means if you want to change the text, if you want to change the appearance of the text which is inside the table, then path is same. First of all, select the text, click on home tab, then click any font style as per your. You can see the effect, right? So you can change color also. Same process as you change the appearance of the text, right? Understood? I repeat once again. If you want to change the appearance of the text inside the table, then select the text which you want to change. Select the text, then click on home tab, then click on font group. You can change also here. Now change the font style as per your choice. Right, bold, italic, underline, जो भी. You can increase the font size, you can change the font color, underline, you can do give underline also as per your choice, and after the setting, click on OK button. Then your text will be changed, right? Now again page number 48. Applying border. Border give the table an elegant look. You can apply border around the entire table or around selected cells. The steps to apply border are as follows. Means you can change the border of the entire table. अब पूरी टेबल के बॉर्डर को भी चेंज कर सकते हैं, और we can change border only selected cell. Or if you want to change the if you want to change entire table border, then you can also do. And if you want to change any selected cell, any selected rows, selected column, then you can also change the border of that selected portion. How we change the border style? The step is step 1 is position the cursor in any cell of a table to apply table border, or selected the cell to put border across them. First of all, click cursor inside the table anywhere. I click here. After that, step 2, click on the design tab. This is the design tab. Then click on the arrow under the border option in the border group. Click on the arrow under the border group. This is the border group. Click on this arrow. When you click on this arrow, a list will be appear. In this list, click on border and shading option. Border and shading option is when you click border and shading option, then this screen will appear. In this screen, this is a border, page border and shading. Border, if we will click none option, then no border is. If we click box option, then only outline of the border. All this types, grid, this types. So first of all we click box, then click all. After that click on style. You can choose style as per your choice. There are different types of style. Choose as per your choice. You can change color of the border. You can change width of the border, right? After that click OK. You can see the effect. Border will be changed. I repeat once again. First of all click on the anywhere on the cell, then click on design tab, then click on arrow, border arrow in the border group, then click on shading, border and shading option, then click on all, choose design as per your choice, change the borders color if you want, change the border width and click OK. Right? Now applying shading, page number 49. You can apply background color on the table or on selected cell. Same, you can change the background of the entire table or you can change background only selected cell. How? What is the process? Select the table or select the cell, select the table. You can select the entire table with this table handle. Select the table, then click on design tab, then click on arrow below the shading option. Click on the arrow below the shading option. A list, when you click on this arrow, a list of a color option appear. Click and select the color of your choice. You can click and select the color of your choice. You can click on more color option also. Okay, right? I repeat it once again. What is the step to change the background of the table? Select the entire table, then click on design tab, then click on arrow, shading arrow, click on color of your choice or you can click on more color option. This is standard color, custom color. You can create a color as per your choice, right? And click OK. Understood? Now applying table style, page number 50. Word provide many inbuilt table style. Let us quickly change the border, shading, alignment and font in tables. We can change the table style also. The step is select the table or click anywhere inside the table. Select the table. You can select the entire table with this table handle or you can click anywhere inside the table. After clicking inside the table, click on the design tab, then click on more button in the table style group. Click on the more button. Click on here. This is a more button. Select design as per your choice. The table will be changed into design which you select. I repeat once again. Click anywhere inside the table. Then click on design tab. Click on more button. Choose any design. Right? So in this way we can change border, shading and table style. I repeat once again. Listen, watch it very carefully. I repeat once again, watch it very carefully. To change the border, click anywhere, click inside the table, click on design tab, click on the arrow under border option, click on border and shading option, click all option, choose border style as per your choice, choose color as per your choice, then click on you can increase or decrease table width, border width, and after that click OK. To change the background, select the entire table, click on design tab, then click on this shading arrow, choose color as per your choice, right. To change table style, click inside the table, then click on design tab, click on more button and choose design as per your choice, right. Now mail merge. Now mail merge. What is the mail merge? Sometimes we need to send a document such as letter and invitation to different people on different location. Although the content of each letter remains the same, the name and address is different on each individual letter, right. Means if we want to send a letter to all of you, then I will type letter once, and after changing the name and address I will send one by one, but it take too much times. In this case, mail merge help us. In mail merge I will type letter and address of all recipient, and when we finished mail merge it will automatically change name and address. Understood? It means that suppose we want to send a letter to all of you, but the name and address are different to all of you. So in this case we have two options. First option, we can change name and address manually. We can type name and address of one person, then after take print out. After that we can change the name and address of the second person, then print out. So it take too much times, right. But if we use mail merge, then name and address will automatically change, letter will be same, and name and address are automatically change, and the number of copies are generated, multiple copies are generated of the same letter with the different name and address. I hope you understand. I repeat once again. In the mail merge में क्या होता है कि अगर हमें सेम लेटर एक ही, जैसे सपोज इनविटेशन लेटर आप लोगों को सेंड करनी है, तो सबका लेटर, सबका नाम और एड्रेस डिफरेंट होगा. लेटर तो मैटर तो सेम होगा, बट नेम एंड एड्रेस आर डिफरेंट. तो in this case we want to type one letter, only one letter, and using the mail merge we can create more copies, multiple copies of the same letter with the different name and address, right. So on this basis we can say that what is the mail merge? Mail merge is a special feature of MS Word that allow us to create multiple documents at once, such letters, envelope, a label, etc. It saves our time and effort of retyping the same letter again and again. Mail merge is a feature of MS Word which create multiple copies of the same letter with the different name and address of the recipient. It saves our time, right. Let's see how it is a very important feature of the MS Word, and it is very long process, so watch the video very carefully. So first of all, open page number 52, mail merge. Mail merge is a feature in Word that lets us quickly create multiple copies of letters, email and other such documents that differ from one another in minor ways. Mail merge is a feature in MS Word that create multiple copies of the same letter with the different name and address of the recipient. For example, mail merge feature will prove very useful for generating multiple invitation letters where the name and the address of the recipient vary but the content of the letter remains the same. Right? I have already told you, mail merge create multiple copies of the same letter but the name and address of the recipient are the different. There are two important documents of the mail merge. First is data source and second is main document. What is the data source? Data source, see page number 52. Data source contains the information that will vary or differ. Data source are the address list of the receiver. Data source is the address list of the receiver. हमें जिन लोगों को लेटर सेंड करने हैं उनकी एड्रेस लिस्ट होती है डेटा सोर्स. एंड मेन डॉक्यूमेंट्स, द मेन डॉक्यूमेंट कंटेन द कॉमन टेक्स्ट एंड द मर्ज फील्ड्स. मेन डॉक्यूमेंट इज द common letter which we send to all. So let us start how we create mail merge, how we do mail merge. Watch the video very carefully better. I repeat once again and again. Watch the video very carefully and listen the instruction. First, so let us start mail merge. First of all, open Microsoft Word. Press Windows plus R button from the keyboard. Type WINWORD. Press enter. MS Word will open. Now page number 53, step 1. Click on mailing option. Click on mailing tab. Click start mail merge option in the start mail merge group. This is the start mail merge group and this is the start mail merge option. Click here. This list will be open. In this list, click step by step mail merge wizard. When you click step by step mail merge wizard, mail merge task pane will be open. This pane is known as mail merge task pane. Now click on letter option. If you want to create letter, then click letter option. If you want to create email messages, then in the label directory. So in this case, click on letter option. After that, click next starting document. Second step, use the current document. Start from a template, start from existing document. So right now use the current document. After choosing the use the current document, click on next, select recipient. Now this is a step 3 and it is important. Here 3 options is given. Use an existing list. When your address list have already created, then we use this option. You can choose address list from the Outlook contact or you can type a new list. So in this case I am going to create a new list. So click on type a new list. After choosing the type a new list, click on create. When you click on create option, this screen will be open. In this screen, this is the address list. In the address list, so many options, so many headings are given. Title, first name, last name, company name. Right? You can customize these columns as per your requirement. To customize these lists, click on customize column. Open page number 52, figure number 3.21. In this table, title, first name, last name, address and city. Only these columns are required. Title, first name, last name. I don't want company name. Delete it. Select and delete. Address line 1. But in this table, address is given. You can rename the column also. Click and rename. Select, delete. You can add column also with the help of add option. Right? Now, after customizing the column, click OK. Now, fill the details of the receiver. Mr. You can move one cell to another cell by pressing tab button. Kunal Arora S111 lot number 3 Rohini Delhi. Press tab. Yes. Shalini Kapoor 9/1065 civil line New Delhi. Press tab. Mr. Ahmed Khan 83-D Highland apartment. Delhi. Right? After typing the address list, after completing the address list, click OK option. When you click on OK option, the save address list will be open. Okay. Type a name for the receiver list in the file name text box and click on save button. You can save your address list with a particular name. Right now I'm give here class 6, and after that click on save button. The mail merge recipient dialog box open. This dialog box displays the detail of the recipient added by you. This is the detailed information of the receiver. You can change the details of any receiver by clicking on edit option. Select the file name and then click on edit option. Right? Then after that click OK. This third step is completed. Now click on next. Write your letter. Type your letter. In this step we type our letter. So open page number 53, figure number 3.2. Congratulations. Your ward has done exceedingly well in class 5. The award ceremony will be held on 2nd April 2016. Kindly be seated by 9 a.m. Yours sincerely, Principal. Right? Now add the merge fill in the current document. Now after typing the letter, add the merge fill. How you add the merge fill? Click on the address block in the mail merge task pane. First of all, place the cursor where you want to insert the address box. I want insert address box below the 2. So first of all I click below the 2, then click on address block. Right? After that choose the insert address dialog box. The insert dialog box appears. This is the insert dialog box appear. This is the insert address box. After select pattern of the address, any as per your choice. Okay, I select this one. After that click OK. Right? Address block will insert. Now place the cursor at the point where you want to insert solution for the recipient. Click the greeting link. After that, first of all, place the cursor where you want to insert solution. Click here and click on greeting line. Dear, OK. Click on OK option. Right. After that, now click the next preview letter link at the bottom of the task pane. Click next preview letters. You can click here to see the preview of your letters. This is the first letter. You can see you can preview the letters after the data source has been merged with the main document. To preview the letters one by one, click on arrow button. Step number 20. You can click this arrow to see all the data source. Right. Now after that, now after preview, click on next complete the merge. When you click next complete the merge link, then two options is there, print and edit individual letters. When you select either of the options, a dialog comes up asking you to specify the record you want to merge. When you click print option, then this dialog box will be open, or if you click edit individual letters, then same dialog box will be open. In this dialog box, click choose option as per your requirement. If you choose all option, then all receiver list will be printed. If you choose current record, then only current record will be printed. If we specify any special range, then you can also specify the range. I click OK, and after that click OK. You can see Mr. Kunal Arora, Mr. Shalini Kapoor, content are same, and Mr. Ahmed Khan. You can see. So this is the mail merge process. Watch the video carefully. I hope you understand. If you have any doubt, please call me or drop a message. Right. Please watch the video carefully, and if you have a system or laptop at home, please practice it. Okay. Thank you.